We are doing number 1 first. So we are counting the dice. Let's count how many dots are there. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is 1 plus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. Let's do number 2. Count 1, 2. So this number is 2. Plus count 1, 2. So this number is 2. Count the total. 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we write the answer 4. Let's try and do number 3. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write number is 5 plus how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 4. What is 5 plus 4? We count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Let's do number 4. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write 6 here. What is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We write the answer 9. Let's do another one. Number 5. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write the number 5 plus how many dots here? 1, 2, 3. We write the number 3. What is 5 plus 3? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write the number 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Give yourself a smiley. Perfect.